In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Notebook LM alongside Perplexity AI for better research. We'll pair Perplexity for fast, credible discovery with Notebook LM for deep synthesis so you can move from scattered links to clear, defensible insights. Start by opening Perplexity and kicking off a broad discovery pass. Type a prompt like "Latest Trends in AI Marketing 2026" to cast a wide net. As results come in, use follow-up questions to refine the scope. Ask for the most recent information, request multiple viewpoints, and make sure the answer includes cited sources. Click into the citations to verify they're real, current, and relevant to your topic. If something looks outdated or thin, ask Perplexity to focus on the last 12 to 18 months or to compare academic, industry, and news perspectives. This early pruning will save time later and increase the quality of what you import. Next, collect high-quality sources from the results. Open the strongest articles, PDFs, and reports in new tabs and quickly assess credibility, date, and methodology. Save the direct links and download PDFs where available. Keep brief notes on why each source matters. Think 1 or 2 lines capturing the claim, the evidence, and the angle. Organize these in a dedicated research folder so you can track what you've gathered and avoid duplicates. Capture key quotes with page numbers or timestamps when applicable. This will make synthesis and citation smoother inside Notebook LM. Now move into Notebook LM and import everything. Upload your PDFs, add Google Docs you've prepared, and paste in web links to authoritative articles or reports. If you have relevant YouTube videos, include them as well. Give each source a clear title so you can recognize it at a glance. After uploading, give Notebook LM a moment to index your materials. You'll see them listed as part of your project library. With your sources in place, start asking deep, structured questions. A great opener is: summarize key arguments across all sources. Read the output carefully and check the source attributions to confirm accuracy. If the summary feels too general, tighten it with constraints such as focusing on timeframes, sectors, or measurable outcomes. Ask for comparisons of viewpoints, identification of disagreements, or a synthesis of common patterns. Request concise, bullet-free summaries you can turn into prose, and ask for direct citations or excerpts where needed. As you review, cross-check the claims against the original documents to maintain rigor. By combining Perplexity's broad discovery with Notebook LM's structured synthesis, you'll build a research workflow that's both fast and trustworthy, turning scattered information into insights you can actually use.